Hey all, it's Liam from Killer Inc. and today I'm going to run through the features of the Equaliser Proton Enduro. As with the original Equaliser Proton, the Enduro version is a pen-style rotary from the popular tattoo brand Kwadron. So let's take a look. The Equaliser Proton Enduro is a cartridge dedicated rotary tattoo machine that comes with a 25mm aluminium grip and has been designed for trouble-free operation. To demonstrate how it runs, we'll be using Kwadron's own cartridges, along with the company's Nemesis power supply and hexagon foot switch. Equaliser's Enduro pen is a very quiet tattoo machine that offers almost no vibration when running. Power in the pen is a 4.5 watt Faulhaber motor, while a protected RCA connection features at the top. The Equaliser Proton Enduro is a solid hitting machine and offers a direct drive solution with a fixed 3.5mm stroke. While the original Equaliser Proton weighed 130 grams, the Enduro version has shaved off some weight, topping the scales at a lighter 120 grams, making it easier to use over long tattooing sessions. Designed by Kwadron in Poland, the Equaliser Proton Enduro is perfect for all types of work, whether it's lining, shading or colour packing. You can order yours now from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So now that you've taken a look, what do you think of the Equaliser Proton Enduro? Will it be your next tattoo pen? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.